How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 66 Impala. It's painted Regal Red. This car has all the original body panels and floors. It's got a show quality paint job on it. The grille, the bumpers have all been re-chromed, and they are perfect. It's all base coat, clear coat on the car, and it is flat and slick down the sides. I mean, every piece of stainless on this car, all the trim, just gorgeous. Got a set of Boyd Coddington wheels on it, 18s all the way around. It's got Nittos. Tell you, the chrome work on these bumpers, the gentleman said he sent them out, had them all show chromed, and they are nice. I'll tell you, I haven't seen any this nice in a long time. I've had the opportunity to drive this car. I've put about 100 miles on it. Thing drives out beautiful. Rides real nice. Just a super slick car. Been updated with the disc brakes in the front. Even the side trim on the car, there's not a ding in it, nothing. It does have a mild built 350 in it. It's got a set of Patriot 202 cylinder heads, aluminum intake. It's got aluminum radiator with electric fan. It's got your power steering and your power disc. This has to be one of the nicest paint jobs I've seen in a long time. Interior in the car is just super nice. Dash is beautiful in the car. They put a trio of gauges under the dash. The headliner, all the chrome moldings around the headliner and everything are just perfect. Now the seat covers are the original seat covers, not been replaced, and they're like new. They look great. There's really no wear. And see how nice all the door jambs are? This car was taken completely apart when it was painted. All your new weather stripping. Got the original jack, spare. It's got trunk light. All works. See how nice the trunk floor and everything is in this car? Just a super nice car, guys. I tell you, it's really hard to find one of these old Impalas that's not been all patched together. I tell you, this car is really nice. The paint work on it is show quality. It's got the padded dash. Got the original steering wheel in it, original radio in it. Does not work, but it is there. Got a nice B&M shifter. You can see how nice all the jams are in this car. The paintwork on this car is just excellent. They did update it with a 350 turbo trans as well. Motor makes, he said the motor makes about 3¼ horse. Really nice driving car. Fires right up. It's got ceramic coated headers, dual flow master exhaust. Just a super nice car, guys. And this thing is ready to show and cruise. It's got a posi rear end, 373 gear. Sounds real good. Super nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.